January 5th, card opening review. I've opened a lot of stuff off camera as I have family here. I tend not to make too much videos, but I wanted to show you some of the highlights of what we opened up. First and foremost, I did open up a case of Topps Minor League. I just have some of the highlights. I did get a master set plus several other base sets. Deciding what I'm going to do, sell them, try to recoup. It was a fun opening. It's my first time opening a case. A lot to organize, but thought we'd review that. First, we'll start with the non-numbered, or numbered cards that aren't autos. Okay. We got 3 reverse stocks. You do remember I do open one. Got an Emerson Hancock, a Joshua Garcia, and a Wyndham Sosa. Again, these are all out of 25 reverse stocks. 3 of them in a case. I guess it's pretty good. A blue Jose Tena. This is out of 99. Luis Gonzalez out of 99. Miguel Vargas. Kyle Mazzardo. Austin Martin. Then the greens, which are out of 75. Of our Ronnie Marcio. I know I'm saying some of these wrong. Larry Nestro. Trey Sweeney. Daryl Hernandez. Nick Gonzalez. And then blacks. These are out of 50. Ubril Angelis, not too sure. Yaquis Cespedes, and a Rushman denies 2 would-be base stealers, and then to get this gold, which is out of 18. Victor Mesa Jr. out of 18, which is weird, because I couldn't find, I think it's supposed to be out of 10 as a misprint, but maybe it's out of 18. So those are the non-auto parallel or numbered cards. Now we're going to go, I got 3 image variation cards. They're all high number. A Henry Davis, image variation. Khalil Watson, image variation. And a Jason Dominguez, image variation. So 3 image variations, which are very nice. Now we're going to go through all the autos. I am missing 1 auto and filled out the form, but overall, I thought we did pretty good auto-wise. Trey Sweeney, Max Ferguson, blue out of 99. Rosamari Quinta, Alan Cerda, Jordan Valles, Jose Ramos, Maximo Acosta, Tyler McDonald, Daryl Hernandez. I'm saying these horribly wrong. Clase, Mead, Holgate, Bernard, Allen, Perez, Jackson Merrill, Polanco, Michael Trina. Got 2 redemptions for Colson Montgomery. One is a Norwin, one is the gold border parallel. Mojica got 2 of those. Presadio got 2 of those. Hedbert Perez, a white one and a blue one. A nice Henry Davis from the 91 Bowman. A nice box topper of Henry Davis out of 25. This one's out of 99. This one's 25. And a nice Jordan Lawler blue out of 99. So that's what a case shows you to be. It was a fun opening, and I probably will sell the master set, keep a set for myself, and we'll see where we go at that point. Anyway, we got some cards open. We'll start with some Allen Ginter X. Joe Ryan Castillo. Some old one. Joey Votto. Barry Larkin. There is a guaranteed auto in this. Gil, Allen, Nick Allen, there's a Ted Williams, Wilson Contreras, now the Cardinals, Zach Wheeler, Tatis, Danny Glover, Jazz Chisholm Jr. Okay, next we will go, we'll see the capstone. We'll do the Heritage High number. Did pull a relic on the first pack. Castillo. Okay, next pack. Nothing remarkable openings so far. There's a good old Kyle Richard Freeland, Chip McCarthy, Luke Williams, Pujols, Sung Kim, Spencer Howard, Kyle Freeland. Okay, on to capstone. We pulled a relic. There's 2 relics, 2 autographs in this set. Luis Gil, Chris Bryant, Chris Connor, John Hensley out of 75, rookie card. Jackson Kowar, non-numbered, Austin Riley, New Age Defenders. Very pinnacle line. Like I said, that's what it reminds me. I got my Aaron Judge sitting there. So I guess the question I'd have is, what makes this one out of 75? The smart answer is the fact that it's got a out of 75 stamp on it. The real answer, I just don't know. Brown Hayes, it's got a printing line on it. Dylan Cease, Pretty Smug, Jose Altuve, Robert Suarez, Anthony Rizzo, CJ Abrams, John Don, Mackenzie Gore. No autos yet. And finally, since it's been a while, I thought I'd open up a blaster box for you. Something I've never opened up before. Normally I get a hobby box of 2 of this, but I just haven't this year. I've been shying away from Panini in general, at least not to the level I have, and sticking more top, especially update, trying to buy as much updates as I can. We have an optic blaster. I thought I usually open something of optic and I don't hate it, so I thought buying a blaster to fill that void would be fine. Get 30 cards. This is a $30 blaster, so it's $5 more than Topps' base. But if you look at Topps' Chrome, it's $35, so maybe it's a little cheaper. I'm glad it hasn't gone beyond that. You get 5 cards. You get 6 packs. 3 pink parallels per pack, and let's see what we can get from here. Wilson Contreras, Matt Olson, Spencer Torkelson, we'll take that one. Patrick Mosaic, Reed Detmers. I think the Spencer Torkelson might be the best card we've had. There's silver come up. Mike, Seager, Curtis Terry, Johan Duran Silver, Grayson Rodriguez. Freddie Freeman, Aaron Judge, Joey Votto, Johan Duran, Salvador Perez. Bryce Lewis, Simeon, Troy Ellis. We have a splash, Luis Robert and Jose Altuve. Spencer Torkelson probably being the best card we got so far. You can get the Kyle Tucker, Joey Votto, Pete Alonso, Corbin Burns, Vidal Brujan, Splash. Brujan is so all over. Bless your career, Brujan. Babe Ruth, Ty France. We got an autograph. Well, that's good. Harold, there's Babe Ruth, Ty France. Who's the auto? Signature Series. AJ Alexi. Oh, Optic doesn't tell you the odds. I always want to look at it. So, I mean, auto out of a blaster. You're not going to complain too much about that. It is non-numbered. We'll put that there. Sounds like my kids are starting to have fun. They're looking for me. The problem is they can find me now. But we'll get going. Overall, not a horrible set. I'm not too excited for it. The one thing I will say that Optic, and when I say this, it's more particularly Donruss has in gray, is sometimes you do so much with that top series one that whenever you get something, there's a printing line right there on the hand. I don't know if you can see it. Rizzo's got one in the, no, it's a little bit south, so I can't say it's directly that. Rizzo's got something in this similar area. Is that you're just ready to open up something different, and Donruss offers that. Optic doesn't offer anything new greatly, in my opinion. Let's leave the Torkelson. I have pulled, the one thing I have pulled Bo Bichette autos out of Donruss and Optic. One a rookie auto and one then next year, so you can figure out whatever that means. Anyway, that is all for today. Take care.